BSty Physics, Semester 5, paper number 13A, Solid State Physics, Unit 1st, Crystal Structure. Dear student, welcome to all of you. In last period or previous period, we had studied the basis and symmetry operation. In this period, we have to study the type of lattice and previous lattice and point group and space group. We have discussed in last period what is meant by crystal structure. The crystal structure is defined as it is the sum of the space lattice plus basis is called crystal structure. What is meant by basis? Basis is defined as group of atom or group of atom must be placed on each lattice point in a regular fashion is called basis. And what is meant by space lattice? Space lattice is defined as an array of imaginary points which are so arranged in space that each point has identical surrounding is called space lattice or basis. In this period, we learn about the point group and space group. In last period, the symmetry operation is also studied. There are 4 types of symmetry operation. First, translation symmetry operation, rotation, reflection and inversion. The translation operation applies to lattice only, while the remaining operation and their combination apply to all objects and collectively called as point symmetry operation. The inversion operation is applicable only to 3 dimension only. In this period, we discuss on the point group and the space group. First of all, we discuss on the point group. We define the point group in detail. The point group is defined as the group of such a symmetry element, the group of such a symmetry operation at a point is called point group. We have seen that there are mainly 4 types of symmetry operation, that is translation, rotation, reflection and inversion. The last 3 operations are point operation and their combination gives certain symmetry element which collectively determine the symmetry of space around a point. In 2-dimensional space, rotation and reflection are the only point operation. Their combination yield 10 different point group, that is 1, 1m, 2, 2m, 3, 3m, 4, 4m, 6 and 6m, which indicates that single m is odd number and double m is even number. In 3-dimensional space, the situation is complicated due to the presence of additional point operation such as inversion. There are a total of 32 point group in three-dimensional lattice. The crystals are classified as on the basis of their symmetry, which is compared with the symmetry of different point groups. The crystals are classified on the basis of their symmetry, which is compared with the symmetry of different point group. Also, the lattice consistent with the point group operation are limited. Such a lattice are called Bravais lattice. In this period, we also studied the type of Bravais lattice. These lattice may be further be grouped into distinct crystal systems. The point symmetry of a crystal structure as a whole is determined. The point symmetry of the lattice as well as the basis. In order to determine the point symmetry of a crystal structure, first point is a unit cell might show point symmetry at more than one location inside it. Second point is the symmetry element comprising combined point and translation operation, isn't it? The group of all the symmetry element of a crystal structure is called a space group. It determines the symmetry of a crystal structure as a whole. There are 17 and 230 distinct space groups, possible in 2 and 3 dimensional respectively. Summary of that point group and the space group is how to difference between this point group and the space group. The first point is definition about point group and the space group. First difference is definition of space group and the point group. In case of space group, the group of all the symmetry element of a crystal structure is called a space group. In case of point group, the group of such a symmetry operation at a point is called point group. Second point is it determines the symmetry of a crystal structure as a whole in space group, but in case of point group, the point symmetry of a crystal structure as a whole is determined by the point symmetry of the lattice and the basis. The third point is there are 17 space group possible in 2 dimension only in space group, but while in point group there are 10 distinct space group possible in 2-dimensional space. Fourth point is there are 230 distinct space group possible in 3-dimensional, while in point group there are 32 distinct space group possible in 3-dimensional only. This is the difference between the point group and the space group. After that, we discuss on type of lattice. The type of lattice. First of all, we define the Bravais lattice. The number of point group in 2 and 3 dimension forms the basis of construction of different type of lattice. Only those are permissible which are consistent with point group operation. Such a lattice are called Bravais lattice. it can be stated that 10 and 32 point group in 2 and 3 dimension produces only 5 and 14 distinct Bravais lattice respectively. The Bravais lattice further becomes a part of 4 and 7 distinct crystal system respectively, and they are separated, described below. Two-dimensional lattice, Bravais lattice. We can discuss on two-dimensional lattices. The four crystal systems of two-dimensional space are oblique, rectangular, square, and hexagonal. The rectangular crystal systems has two Bravais lattice, namely rectangular primitive and rectangular centered. In all, there are 5 Bravais lattice which are listed in table first, corresponding to point group. In figure first, oblique, the side A is not equal to B and gamma is not equal to the 90 degree. These are the oblique lattice. The rectangular primitive, the side A is not equal to B and gamma is 90 degree. These are the rectangular primitive lattice. They are rectangular centered. The side A is not equal to B. The gamma is 90 degree. These are the rectangular centered lattice. The side A is equal to B and gamma is equal to 90. The lattice is said to be square lattice. And last, A is equal to B and gamma is angle 120 degree. The lattice is said to be hexagonal. They are as shown in figure in two-dimensional lattice. The table indicates that the crystal systems and Bravais lattice in two dimension are taken in the table. After that, we can discuss on the three-dimensional lattice. In three-dimensional lattice, all the crystal systems of three-dimensional space and corresponding Bravais lattice are as follows, as shown in table. All the 7 crystal systems of three-dimensional space and corresponding Bravais lattice as shown in table. The decreasing order lattice point of the symmetry. The decreasing order of the symmetry, the crystallographic axis A, B and C drawn from one of the lattice point determine the size and shape of the unit cell. The angle alpha, beta and gamma represent the angle between the effector B and C, C and A and B respectively. The length A, B and C and angle alpha, beta and gamma are collectively called as lattice parameters or lattice constant of a unit cell. These Bravais lattice are as shown in figure in table. The symbols P, F and J represent simple or primitive, face centered and body centered respectively. A base or end centered cell is that which has lattice point at corners and at one of the pair's opposite faces. It is designated by the letter A, B or C. The designation A refers to the cell in which the faces defined by B and C axis contains the lattice point and so on. These are the various type of three-dimensional lattice as shown in figure. Thank you very much for your good cooperation and thanks.